Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync users from your ADP organization into your time card account. And we're also going to see what happens if we have a profile in your time card organization first, and then we need to sync that profile with one from your ADP account. So the first step is going to be accessing the field worker tab, the blue cell phone right here on the top. Second step, it's going to be clicking on this section right here, sync workers with ADP. Now, once in here, we're going to be able to use the search bar. So in this case, I'm going to look for Sam Smith. So let's go ahead and look for the user. Okay, so once we find the user, what we're going to need to do, it's going to be select the status for the user. We're also going to need to select the company. In this case, it's going to be AWT. We're going to select the field worker type or the pay class, and also the time zone. Now, once we have these filters ready, we're going to click right here on this little checkbox, and we're going to leave it like this on add. For the next example, we're going to be using this one, but that's going to be in a couple of minutes. So once we have all of these filters ready and we found the user, remember to click on this checkbox, then save it. And this is going to add Sam's profile into the time card organization with his employee ID from ADP. And once we add the profile to the organization, Sam will be ready to set up the application on his phone. Okay, so we just need for the confirmation that the profile has been synced between ADP and the time card organization. This could take a couple of minutes, but should be ready soon. Okay, so here we have the confirmation with this check mark, meaning that the profile was synced properly and Sam is ready to set up his time card application. Now we are going to see a new scenario, and that's going to be having a profile ready on the time card organization first, and then we're going to sync that profile from time card with the one from ADP. So in this case, I'm going to be searching for this user, Daniela Dalton. Okay, so remember, Daniela already has a profile on the time card organization, and we are going to link or sync this profile from time card with the one from ADP. So right now, we are searching for her profile on ADP. Okay, so let's give it a moment. Okay, so there's the profile. So now let's go ahead and select the status, same as we did before, company, pay class or user type, time zone, click on the checkbox. But in this case, instead of clicking on add, we're going to select this option, link with. So let's go ahead and look for Daniela. There she is. So we are linking this one from ADP with this one from Timecard. Now let's go ahead and hit save. And now we just need to wait for the process to be ready, wait for the confirmation, and at that point, Daniela will be able to set up the application on her device. Let's just give it a moment to see the confirmation. In the meantime, just a quick overview. Remember, we need to select the status, the company, the pay class or user type, also the time zone. And remember that in this case, we are linking or syncing the profile from ADP with the one that Daniela previously had on the time card organization. And there's a confirmation. So the profile is ready to be set up on the time card application. Thank you.